Hey everybody, it's Paula from Craftin' by the Pond. I hope you're having a great day. I wanted to come on and just show you how I'm moving along here with my diamond painting that was sent to me by Victoriasmoon. I've been a little busy on it. I really enjoy it. It is very relaxing. My only thing is, this was a big undertaking. I mean, this thing is huge. I'm standing up and, here's the bottom of the scene. And then I still have a little bit more to go. Like up here, I'll pull back just a little bit so you can see. I still got quite a ways to go. But I'm moving right along with it. It is beautiful. The camera does not do it justice. I really do enjoy working on it. However, what I recommend is that if you do other crafts like I do, just kind of work on it a little bit every day versus like sitting down for several hours at a time to do it because, it's so intricate what you have to do, and you kind of get a little cross-eyed. But that just could be me. But that's just been, my experience. And, my recommendation is when you do one for the first time, maybe do a smaller one, because this was a new craft challenge for me. And it's very simple to use. And like I said, I enjoy it. I think the value for the money for this kit, I believe, was like 20 something dollars. And I mean, if you go, like I said in my earlier initial unboxing, I've seen them in Hobby Lobby. I've seen them in Michael's, and they can be $38 to $40. And that's, the price with Victoriamoon includes the shipping. And they have sales. They constantly have 15% off. So definitely go check it out. I would recommend this project for anybody. It's from a beginner to a skilled crafter. I mean, to me, it's kind of been a challenge because I want to finish it. And I was working on it to give to, actually I was going to give it to one of my daughters, and my husband's like, "You're not going to give that thing away." He's like, "You need to keep it. It's beautiful and you worked so hard on it. And, if you were to give it to somebody else, they may not understand all of the work that went in, towards it and the hours, and because it's, it is very, it takes a long time. This is not going to be like something you can sit down and knock out in a weekend. I mean, maybe you could if that's all you did. But, like everybody else, this is something that is, you can kind of work on it, put it away, come back to it, and do it. I just, for me, it's a beautiful piece of artwork. I love it. I wish I would have started with a smaller one so it wouldn't feel so like it's so overwhelming. So maybe get a smaller size because they do have different sizes of the canvas that you can get. So, but anyway, the quality is great. And, I have not, rolled these because they recommend that, once it's all done, you take kind of like a sheet of paper or some wax paper or something. And, oh, I missed one. I just found one I missed. And just kind of, set it with the rolling pin. And you guys, they don't come off. They do not come off. You can shake it. Nothing falls off. It's just, I'm so surprised. And, the colors are, all of the beads that are in the kit that they send you, the color is consistent throughout the pack. So, like, there are no colors that are off. I used the round the round ones, and they're all symmetrical. I think I had like one black one that was like abnormal, so I just kind of tossed it out because I would put it back in, and then when I would get the black ones out, that daggum thing would come out. So I just like threw it away. So I still have quite a few, still a little bit left, but I wanted to come on and show you what my progress is and just kind of let you know that this is, really the only thing that I was kind of been working on. And I started working on it before the holidays, and I did like maybe 4 hours on it yesterday. So, because I really want to get this project completed, because Victoriasmoon has sent me a paint by number, and I'm so excited. But I want to get this finished first. Finish what we start. So anyway, that's my quick update on my Victoriamoon diamond painting. I hope you enjoyed it. Check it out, guys. I mean, the artwork, it's stunning. It's just gorgeous. And the detail is just, wow. Wow. So, anyway, I hope you're having a great day. I'll leave a link to Victoriamoon's website. So if you're interested, you can just click on the box and off you go. All right, guys. Thanks. Be sweet, be kind. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.